Hello, this is a 26-inch long straight hair wig. I really love it. I haven't had hair that was this long in a while. This is the tint lace I am using just for the top part. In the box, it came this and also a wig cap. Right now I'm putting on makeup on the lace just so it can blend a little bit because this lace is too light for my skin tone. I want it to be a middle part, so I'm making the part a little bit more noticeable by plucking it and also straightening it. I am using this Cantoon wax stick to do so.
Long nights, alone, sleeping by myself with no one to hold. And I think, don't you worry my friend, you've got time. But right now I think I need someone who takes me to dinner and wine and kisses me every night. I just want somebody, somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody, somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody, somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody, somebody to love me like that. Tell me, what do you feel? Is it something inside of you that wants to be free? I said, we are young and afraid, but life is unpredictable. Can you be the one that takes me to dinner and wine and kisses me every night? I just want somebody, somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody, somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody, somebody to love me like that.
just doing some final touches, but I really hope you enjoyed the video, dolls. See you in my next one.